And follow me is an Orange Fova, and today I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So it's fairly simple. What you want to do is hold power key and volume down, and it works wherever you are. So if I want to take something from web browser, I can just hold here and hold both of those keys. See a little screen minimize, and then the image will go straight to your photo gallery. So if you tap on apps and find whatever the gallery is, which I believe is this one, I don't want to update. Let's see if there's another one that I don't need to update. Oh, there it is. So we have gallery, you can tap on it and you should find what you have just captured, which is basically the browser with Google page on it. And you can edit it here by tapping on it. You can also copy said picture as basically wallpaper or whatever, print it, a couple other things. Or you can do what I'm gonna do, which is just remove it altogether. Let's go back and delete it. So once more, to take a screenshot, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down like this. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.